I know that was directed towards me. Don't get ahead of yourself, mister. You know, I don't think that hose is really cutting it anymore. Conformist! Yes. So? Why? You want... Why, was it because you stink? Oh. Oh, God. Timber!
See, there's got to be some...
Well, it's plaster and brick. Think about it.
Yeah,
I mean, that's
it's amazing it doesn't go the other way.
It's like the Three Little Piggies, you know? That's a pretty darn good house. It's an old house. It's well built.
But now look, he touches it, it falls in.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Julie, good thing your car wasn't there.
Oh! I got that! Oh, there goes the window. Oh! Oh, he's punching it.
Yep.
Although it probably doesn't belong to us anymore, does it?
I don't know.
I bet, you know, what, for all we know, they already bought the building and they're
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
I should have charged admission for the car, and I could have made some extra money.
Yeah, 'cause, you know, doing summer school, right.
Huh? I got 1 point for us.
Wait.
1 point.
Yeah.
What is it?
2 points. Yeah, that's alright.
Will that make a difference in your...
Wait, is he... Oh, he... Look. He's trying to get really close to the thing.
He goes like, okay, well, it's your first one. I'm like,
Oh, he's gonna do the, thingy now.
I don't know. And then he goes over to,
Oh, look at him. Oh, what's he doing?
they started laughing. So, Ashley says, don't smoke.
Dude, he was laughing. I told him to shut up.
They had a good time.
Yeah. So there was nothing under it. Nothing prior.
No.
Look at that. Oh my god. Electrical wires. Oh, now he's gonna do the shed. So that went down easy. Now that's where the asbestos is. Oh, definitely. They never have reached.
Oh, look at this. This is weird looking out here now.
Get a nice view. I can't wait to tell Brad. He's gonna be upset. I don't.
Beautiful house.
He always wanted to
See, the
go
hospital
inside.
bought us too, so, and we're...
They've been trying for years.
Yeah, they've been wanting to buy